one of those recipes you'll want to keep close, especially on busy, rundown days. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. I tried this roll-on as a little experiment, and now it lives in my bag. It's simple, portable, and easy to use. What I love most about this one is why these oils work so well together. Oregano Essential Oil is incredibly powerful. It's often used for its immune supporting properties, which is why we only need a couple of drops. Then we pair it with our Energy Essential Oil blend, made with lemon, eucalyptus, and peppermint. This blend is bright and refreshing, and it helps create that clean, invigorating aroma, and feels energizing when you're feeling run down. Let's make it. Start by adding essential oils to a 10 ml roll-on bottle. Add 2 drops oregano essential oil. It's very potent, so we use a very low dilution. Next, add 2 drops Energy Essential Oil blend for a fresh, uplifting aroma. Fill the rest of the bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Cap it, label it, and gently shake to mix. To use, apply to pulse points like wrists or neck 2 to 3 times a day. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Immune Guard roll-on yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It also comes with everything you need to whip up natural, non-toxic wellness products at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at www.simplyearth.com. I love how easy this is. The scent is fresh and energizing, and it's just nice knowing I made it myself. When you try it, share your roll-on with #IMadeThis and tag @FromSimplyEarth for a chance to win a $100 Simply Earth gift card. See you in the next video.